Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing the recipe to make kaddu and sabudana kheer like in Bangalore weddings. So this recipe was requested by one of my subscribers, so thought of sharing this. First I am going to do some preparations. Here I have taken 150 grams of sabudana or tapioca pearls. I am going to add it into a bowl and soak it for 10 minutes. I am soaking it so that it is easy for them to cook. Also, I am soaking few almonds in water so that it is easy for me to peel them and slice them, which I am going to use later. In a heavy bottom pan, I am going to take 1 liter of milk. After stirring the milk nicely, I am going to bring the milk to a boil. After the milk is boiled, I am going to simmer it and cook on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes or until it is considerably thickened. Now into this I am going to add 200 grams of khoa. Khoa gives a very nice thick texture. Now mix and cook until khoya is nicely mixed with the milk. Now we are going to go ahead and add the tapioca pearls and cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until the tapioca pearls are nicely cooked. The flame is on medium to low. Now into this we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of suji. Adding suji gives it a very nice thick texture, the ones like in the wedding. So do add it, you will notice a very nice different and a very beautiful texture in the kheer. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now you can already see the difference in the texture of the kheer. Now into this we are going to add kaddu or bottle gourd. I have already washed the bottle gourd, dried it and then removed the seed and grated it. You have to make sure that you have removed the seed. If you add the seed in the kheer, it is going to make it bitter. So be careful when you add the kaddu. If you want as a precaution, you can separately boil the kaddu in water, drain it and then add it to the kheer. But if you follow the perfect procedure, it is no worries. Now after 3 to 5 minutes, when kaddu is nicely cooked and nicely soft, you can see. Now we are going to go ahead and add sugar. I just added half cup of sugar. You can add sugar according to your sweet taste. You can add more or less as you want. Mix and cook nicely until sugar is dissolved and then you can turn off the flame. We still have few more things to add, but we are going to wait for it to cool down. Now into this I am adding almonds. I have peeled and sliced almonds. Also I am going to add 2 drops of vanilla essence. Make sure don't add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, just add 2 drops of vanilla essence, and adding essence while cooking will make the sweet little bit of bitter. So always wait for some time until it cools down to add the essence. Also adding few drops of food color. Green food color is added in this kheer. I am adding it and nicely mix it. You can see the texture of this kheer looks so beautiful. It tastes so amazing. So do try this recipe and follow the perfect procedure as I have shared with you, and you will be very happy with the result. You can also garnish it with pumpkin seed and sliced almonds. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do comment and share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Also consider subscribing to my channel. Bye guys.